Hi everyone, welcome to another Common Exception Words video. Let's see what words we've got in store this week. Here we go. Can you find our first word on our mat? Our first word is 8. It's a number. 8. There it is, the word 8. So, we've got 8 fingers up there. The thing that makes it tricky, the word 8, is that IGH. We recognise it from previous years, but it does make it tricky. Like light, it's the word 8. So remember that IGH. Our next word is enough. Enough. I have had enough pizza, thank you. There it is. Enough. Tricky one, this one. Enough. We want to put an F into it. That's what makes it tricky. Enough. Okay, there aren't any words within words here, it's just one that you have to remember. And remember, boys and girls, you are enough. We love you very much. Next word is exercise. There it is, exercise. Let's have a little look at it. So it's X-E-X, size. And it's just remembering that it's the C first, then the S. Exercise. Our last word is eighth. Eighth. Can you see it? Well done, there it is, eighth. The word 8, so we can use 8 to help us remember, but obviously it's got that th on the end. Okay, it's a fraction word, eighth. So if you can do 8, you can do 8. Easy peasy. All right, can you find the correct spelling? Here we go. Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? 8. Well done, it's number 1. Enough. I've had enough pizza. Remember, it's not an F on the end. You can pause the video if you wish to. Number 2, great job. And exercise. 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 It's not the word size on the end. It's number 4. Well done. And eighth. Eighth. So if we can do 8, and we've got that on the end. Pause the video if you want to think about it. Number 3. Well done. So keep practicing. Make sure you get full marks on that spelling test next week. See you next time for some more common exception words. Bye.